Good morning, Algebra 2 students. Happy snow day today. Today your tasks will be to spend about 25 minutes working on the Chapter 7 test practice that I gave out yesterday. If you didn't get that yesterday, I will have that in Google Classroom. It will be titled Chapter 7 Practice. And then you should submit what you've done electronically for attendance. Then, if you want to spend extra time today, it'd be a good time to complete and submit all the 7.1 to 7.7 assignments and prepare for the summative, which is going to be this Friday. Hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, concerns, feel free to reach out to me through email. Thanks. Have a great day.